Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to convert an Excel file into a PDF file. Okay, so whether you are using laptop, Windows or MacBook, or you are using mobile phone, you can follow this method and you can easily uh, convert an Excel file into PDF. So what you have to do first, you have to just go to your browser. Okay, whichever browser you are using, and then here you have to type convert Excel to PDF. Okay, then here you will see convert Excel to PDF. First website is ilovepdf.com. Just click on it, then here select the file which you want to convert. Okay, so I want to convert this file. Okay, then click on open, then click on convert. Okay, now this file will be converted into PDF. So like this you can convert any PDF file, any Excel file into PDF. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.